This is the best way to prepare eggplant. Take a large eggplant and cut it into slices. This recipe is delicious. After cutting it into slices, we're now going to cut them into strips just like this. And we're going to cut until they're done. This is the end result. In a bowl, I'm going to add a liter of water, as well as 1 spoonful of salt, and give that salt a good stir until it's dissolved into the water. And let's add in our eggplant pieces. We're going to leave these to soak in our salt water for 20 minutes. Let's leave these to rest submerged in that water. Now over here in a bowl, I'm going to add 3 eggs, some salt, paprika, black pepper, and we'll give this a good mix. All right, it's almost ready. We're going to add in 100 grams of flour and give this a good mix until it forms a sauce. Just like this. And we're going to set this aside. Going back to our eggplant, let's remove that water. We're going to place our eggplant on a piece of paper towel just to soak up any excess water. All right, once this part's done, it's almost ready. We're going to place our eggplant pieces into a bowl just like this. And we're going to add that sauce on top. Let's give everything a good mix. You want to stir slowly and very carefully. In a pan, pour in some oil, and we're going to put in our eggplant pieces to fry. We're going to leave these to fry for a few minutes. After frying one side, we're going to turn them over with the help of a fork and fry the other side. You want to turn these very carefully. After frying, we're going to turn off the heat and it's time to serve. I'm going to take these out using a spatula and try and remove any excess oil. The result is a super crispy eggplant. Let's make a sauce. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of natural yogurt, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, some salt, some red pepper flakes, and finish with some parsley. And stir well until all of these ingredients are combined. After stirring, it's ready. And the last step is to eat. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a try.